Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna do something sort of fun for you guys. I'm gonna be a guinea pig today, and I'm gonna try a drink that I've never tried before from a vending machine in Japan. If you guys don't know, of course, there's vending machines all over the place in Japan, and they always have drinks that I want to try that always look unique. I've tried a lot of them before, but there's a vending machine right here and right there and over there. There's vending machines everywhere, but I'm gonna go to one of them, and this is gonna be like a blind new drink review of a vending machine drink that you haven't tried before. And guys, let me know which drinks you want me to try. If I haven't tried it, I will do a video on it and I'll let you know how it is. So let's walk over to this vending machine. This is gonna be a quick, simple video, and we're gonna try something new here. All right guys, a little windy. Here's what we got. Here's what we're gonna select from. Now, I always try new drinks in Japan, and I can tell you right now that this is one of my favorites, pickle. This apple juice is like one of the best apple juices I've ever had. I've been liking this Deca Vida C. I've been liking this more. It's like an energy drink. I don't like coffee, so I don't really get any of these coffees unless it has like tons of cream in it. Even then, when I get it, like it, except for that hint of coffee flavor. Mineral water, Mugi Cha, this is one of my favorites. I've tried actually a lot of these. Actually, this one is the only one I haven't tried. Yogurina. Yogurina. It's a yogurt drink, I guess. I'm gonna get this drink, but let me know which ones you guys want me to try. Let me get out my wallet, get out some money. I might make a video about this, but I wonder like how many people leave their change in vending machines. Maybe I should go around one day to all the vending machines and just see how much money I could have in the change thing. See how much money I could find. I think it'd be kind of fun. I don't know. Let me guys know if you want to see that. I think it'd be interesting. But here it is, Yogurina or whatever. I don't know. Let me set up my camera so you guys can see better. All right, guys. Hopefully that's a good angle, and hopefully my phone doesn't fall over. But do this official review, Yogurina. I guess it's a water drink because this is a water brand. But let's see. Wow, that's it, guys. New favorite drink. Go ahead and try it. Just kidding. I like yogurt drinks in Japan, and actually, it's refreshing. One of my favorite drinks in Japan is karupisu. And if you don't know what karupisu is, it is a yogurt drink. And this tastes very similar to it. This is almost the same, it's just a little bit more watered down, which makes sense because this liquid is clear and karupisu is like white. My overall review, I would say, I'd give it a 7 out of 10. I like karupisu a lot better, I think, but you really gotta be in the mood for a sweet drink. I don't know, it's a random video. Calpis, that's what the Americans call karupisu. Such a nice day here in Okinawa. I mean, look at that road. Here, let me adjust that. Doesn't that look like the most Okinawan street you've ever seen in your life? That's crazy. The bushes on the side. Let me actually auto focus lock so you guys can see that. It is beautiful here, guys. I want to ask you, what is your favorite drink of Okinawa? I don't know, like ever since I've been here, my drink choices have been changing a lot. Like my first one was like karupisu, which I still really love, but like I've been getting into the teas a lot more, and I used to not like unsweetened teas, and now I like pretty much all of them. In fact, I could kind of go for, I had 2 drinks today, but I could kind of go for a tea. Let me know what drink you guys want me to try, because I'd love to try some drinks you guys recommend. And if I get recommended enough drinks that I haven't tried, I will do a video on it doing drinks my viewers recommended. And if you want, I could put your name down there or not, whatever. But let me know, guys, in the comments below which drinks you want me to try in Japan here from a vending machine. That's it, guys. If you like my channel, make sure you subscribe. I know a lot of you gotta subscribe. A lot of you, like 80 or 75% of you or something that watch these videos are not subscribed to my channel. So come on, guys. Wow, those birds are loud. That's crazy. Some loud birds. And the bells, that means it's like 12 o'clock or something. Let me know in the comments below what you guys like about what drinks you guys like, and there goes a car. And yeah, like the video, subscribe to my channel. Thanks so much, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.